In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Drive's Shared With Me section efficiently. Whether you're a student collaborating on projects, a professional working with teams, or simply someone sharing files with friends, understanding this feature can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. Let's start by opening Google Drive. You can do this by heading to drive.google.com and logging into your Google account. Once you're in, on the left-hand menu, you'll see a tab labeled Shared With Me. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find a list of files and folders that others have shared with you. This is an incredibly useful tool when you're trying to access files shared via Google Drive without having to search through your email or messaging apps. The Shared With Me section is organized with the most recent files at the top, which makes it easy to find new documents. You might see files that are already open or others that are still unopened. This is indicated by the bold or regular font of the file name. To open a file, simply click on it. This will direct you to the file where you can view, edit, or comment, depending on the permissions set by the person who shared it with you. For files that you find yourself accessing frequently, you can add them to My Drive for quicker access in the future. To do this, right-click on the file and select Add to My Drive. This action does not move the file from the shared folder, but it allows you to access it from your main Drive interface. You might wonder what kinds of access you have with these files. Well, there are three typical levels: Can View, Can Comment, and Can Edit. The first level, Can View, allows you to see the file but not make changes. The Can Comment access enables you to add your thoughts or feedback without altering the actual content. Finally, Can Edit allows you to make changes directly to the document, spreadsheet, or presentation. If you have specific files that you need to find in Shared With Me, you can use the search bar at the top. Just enter the file name or some keywords, and Google Drive will bring up the relevant results. This is particularly helpful in reducing the time spent scrolling through the list. Remember, the Shared With Me section is meant to be a dynamic workspace. You can organize it by creating labels or color-coding files once they're added to My Drive. This little bit of customization can set you up for success and improve how you manage shared content. In conclusion, mastering the Shared With Me feature within Google Drive will streamline collaboration and help you stay organized. Happy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.